I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for...
Hi guys, welcome to the new vlog. So today is 30th December and I was just getting ready for a shoot, and I thought I should show you guys how I get ready and how I plan my outfits. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, I always apply a sunscreen because I got to know this really late, but this really helps protect your skin from aging and boring stuff. Let's just say that this is really important. It's almost gone. And don't forget your neck ever. I usually apply a primer first, but I don't have it right now with me, so I am going to go with this foundation which is from L'Oreal, Infallible Stay Fresh. That's Sugar, guys. I need to introduce her, but I will do later. Right now she is in a really bad mood. Infallible Stay Fresh foundation in the shade 150. I think this is a bit lighter for my skin, but let's just go with it. I'm taking this brush to apply foundation. This is BS Small Face Flat Brush. I'll try to keep a link in the description box below. I got this from Amazon, so make sure to check the description box below to find the link. Okay, so I'm just applying it. And now I'm using this contour palette from Kat Von D. I'm just going to mix all of them together and... oh no, I forgot the concealer. This is me in real life, guys. For that, I'm going to use this concealer from Maybelline and basically use it as a highlighter. It's in the shade 10, which is the lightest shade, under my eyes, bridge of my nose, wherever I want to highlight. Now I'm going to take this sponge and I'm just blending it with this sponge. I'm just setting my face using this powder so that our foundation stays on. And now for bronzer, I'm using all the 3 shades. Wow. Oh my god, guys, this is my life. Now I'm using this blush from Too Faced. This one is actually my favorite. It's so cute. Look at the packaging. For eyes, I'm just using the darkest shade. My eyelids. I'm using this mascara from Maybelline. It's called the Lash Sensational. I'm using this Maybelline Color Sensational 775 Copper Brown Lip Liner, Becca's highlighter. I'm using this brush for that. Oh my god, I love this highlighter so much. Look at that. And now I'm almost done. So this is the makeup look that I'm going for. So hi guys, so I'm all ready and this is the outfit. This is from Lulu and Sky and I really love this, and this is my makeup, and I'm also wearing a hat with it. Who else faces a problem with high necks? Me. And now we're leaving for Shapujad. I think we'll reach there in 45 minutes. So I'll see you guys there. Say hi. तुझे मैंने इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करा ना व्लॉग पे. गाइस, दिस इज स्तुति शाह. मेरे को ना बलून्स की वजह से कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है. ओके, वी हैव अ सिचुएशन. Things you have to do for shoot. Oh, Papa!
Quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close?
No, we are just working here. We are designers. Hi, say hi to the vlog. Hi.
That's so cute.
Guys, I'm carrying these balloons with me for a shoot and everyone is there. Everyone.
Because nobody else would hold them.
Break time. Abhishek, say hi. We are having coffee. So we are at this cafe just called Fashion Street Cafe, and we shot some pictures there, and now we'll just have coffee and we will leave. And that's, oh wow, that's me guys. And this is what I'm wearing. This is from All About You. Earrings are for Forever 21. Peace out. So we found this cute shop in Shapurjat and I bought a bag. Now we are on to our next location, last outfit. Hi guys, so I came back from the shoot yesterday and I totally forgot to vlog, but after that I went to a lot of the drinks to party with friends at Diksha. Today was a really lazy day, but I shot some pictures right now. I'm going to be spending New Year's with my family and I'm so looking forward to 2018. I'm so excited, and I wish 2017 was full of emotions. It was a roller coaster ride. I visited so many different places, enjoyed, had fun, cried badly. Still, I don't think 2017 was a bad year for me, but I learned so much about myself and I think I'm a completely different person now. I just feel like I've changed so much, but now I'm looking forward to 2018 and I wish you guys all the luck and love, and I hope you guys have a great year ahead, and thank you for sticking by. Last week was so much fun. I celebrated my mom's birthday, my brother's birthday. I hit 500k on Instagram, so like last week was so amazing for me and I'm so excited. I have so many surprises for you guys as well. So this is the last vlog for this year. I know it sounds dramatic. Yeah, this is the last vlog and I hope you guys like it. Have a great year ahead guys. Bye. Love you. Also guys, look at the mess behind the scenes. I shot some pictures for 500k post and this is the mess. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, bye.